Hello Kutties, welcome to GK session. In today's session,
we are going to see the importance of eating breakfast. All the things needs energy to work. For example, trees ku sunlight venum, appada it will grow. Vehicles ku petrol venum, only then you can travel from one place to another. Adhe madri humans oda energy edu food. So energy for human is food. நம்ம food சாப்பிட்டா தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து தேவையான எனர்ஜி எல்லாம் கிடைக்கும். How many times do you eat per day? நம்ம ஒரு நாளைக்கு எத்தனை தடவை ஃபுட் சாப்பிட்றோம்? 4 times or 3 times? Let's see. First meal of your day is breakfast. Breakfast எப்போ சாப்பிடுவீங்க? In the morning. You ate breakfast between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. Next meal of your day is lunch. When do you eat lunch? You eat lunch in the afternoon between 12:30 p.m. to 1 p.m. When you have school, நீங்கள் lunch ஸ்கூலில் தானே சாப்பிடுவீங்க. Next meal of your day is dinner. When do you have dinner? You have dinner in the night between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. After dinner, what will you do? After dinner, you'll go to bed and you will sleep for 9 to 10 hours. தூங்கிட்டு next day morning when you get up, your stomach would have digested all the food that you ate for dinner and your tummy will be empty. நீங்கள் நேற்று நைட்டு சாப்பிட்ட ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் என்ன ஆகும்? உங்கள் ஸ்டமக் எல்லாத்தையுமே டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு உங்களோட ஸ்டமக் எம்டியாக இருக்கும். எம்டியாக இருந்தால் உங்களுக்கு எனர்ஜி கிடைக்குமா? கிடைக்காது தானே. ஸோ வாட் யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ இன் த மார்னிங் ஆஃப்டர் யூ கெட் அப், you have to brush your teeth and you have to eat your breakfast. So your body will have enough energy for you so that you can play throughout the day. Only if you eat breakfast, you will have energy. You can study happily, you can play happily, and you can enjoy with your friends. If you skip breakfast, you will start feeling so weak because when you don't have breakfast, your body will not have enough nutrients. நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? உங்கள் பாடிக்கு வேணுங்கிற எனர்ஜி கிடைக்காது. அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன ஆகுங்க? ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக டயர்ட் ஆயிடுவீங்க and you will fall sick. சிக்கான என்ன ஆகும்? You will be taken to the doctor. Once you fall sick, you will also start feeling sleepy. If you do not have energy, you cannot play with your friends. So it is advised that you should eat breakfast and you should not skip breakfast. Always have in your mind that you should wash your hands before and after eating because நீங்கள் நிறைய பக்கம் போய் விளையாண்டுருப்பீங்க அண்ட் உங்களோட ஹேண்ட்ஸ்லாம் ஜெர்ம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் ஜெர்ம்ஸ் சாப்பிட்றது குட் ஃபார் ஹெல்த்தா? இட் இஸ் நாட் குட் ஃபார் ஹெல்த், ரைட்? So when you wash your hands, all the germs in your hands will go away. So only after washing your hands you have to eat your food, and after food also wash your hands. While eating, you should never spill food and you should also not waste food because there are many people who do not have food. I hope all of you understood the importance of eating breakfast. Do not skip breakfast. Not eating breakfast will spoil your health.
okay children, let's do the book activity. Let's start with the date 9/10/2020. Activity 1. Connect the items and their food. Tree needs sunlight and water. Sunlight and rain to grow. Fan, bulb and TV needs electricity to work. Car and scooter needs petrol. Human beings need food, fruits and vegetables. Okay. Activity 2. Match the time with the name of the meal. Number 1, breakfast. Usually we eat breakfast in the morning, right? 7 to 8 a.m. A.m. means morning. P.m. means afternoon. Okay. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So, let's write the number 1, breakfast. Next, 11th. Do you know what is the meaning for 11th? The snack that we eat in the
Morning.
11 o'clock, between 11 to 11:30 a.m. 11 to 11:30 a.m. 11th 2. Next, lunch. Usually we eat lunch between 12:30 p.m. and 1 p.m. right? So let's write number 3 here. Next, evening meal. That means snack. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. 4. Next, dinner. Dinner means night meal. Okay, this is our last meal in a day. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 5. Next, let's go to the next page. Activity 3. Tick the body parts that you can see and double click that you can't see. Look at the body parts. Can you identify? What is the name of this body part? Yes, you're right. It is heart. Can we see the heart? No. So, double click. Double tick. Next, eye. Can we see the eye? Yes. So, tick. What is this? Yes, brain. Can we see the brain? No. We cannot see the brain. It is the inner part of our body. So, double tick. Teeth. Can we see? Yes, we can see. Do you know what is the body part? Which body part is this? Kidney. Can we see the kidney? No. Double tick. Next, leg. Can we see the leg? Yes. What is this? Bones. Our skeleton system, right? Can we see that? No. Double tick. Ear? Yes. Nose? We can see. Fingers? Yes. So, children, do this activity and send to me. Eat breakfast. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.